Hello, this is Edgar with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and today I'll be showing you how to replace the charger port on a Bose NC700, which is located on the right side right there. Little C charger cable port. Anything that we're using here you can buy on our website. So we got the charger port right here, and we got this kit which comes with this screwdriver, and then we'll be using the T7 and tweezers as well, and this B7000. So first we'll be taking off the right side ear pad, and it sits on a clip, so you just hold it like this, give it a little pull, and it comes right off really easily. And then you'll be taking this cover off, and it just sits on tape. You can retape it once you're done. And then you have 4 screws located right there, right there, right there, and right there. This is just to get the speaker cup off. Once you got that, you could use the tweezers. You just gotta get a little bit underneath it here, and it pops right out. Be careful when lifting the speaker cup, because there is a ribbon it's connected to right underneath there, this ribbon. So just grab the speaker cup and put it as far right as possible out of the way. And here is the charger port located right here. It is glued down at this location and this location, and then it's got ribbon that goes to here and a ribbon right here, and this is where the light beams through. This also is glued down. So when you're taking this apart for the very first time, there will be glue. So once you pull off the ribbons, this ribbon's a little difficult because it's sitting at a weird angle, but you can pop it off like that. You will need to use a little bit of force to pop the charger port up, because the glue right there and right there holds it down. So you pop this off first, take a little bit of force, it won't break, and you still glue it down at the end. And then you just pry it open, and it should come out pretty easily once you get the glue off. Just like that. And then here's the new charger ports that you can find on our website. And to put it back, what I recommend first is placing down this ribbon and connecting it. You'll hear a click when you put it in, so it'll be pretty simple to know when it's in. And then placing this ribbon inside the charger port. Sorry, cover the camera there. Just very hard angle, and you gotta make sure it goes all the way in, and you see a little bit of that gold right there. Then you'll be placing it right back. Make sure, if you want to make sure it's 100% lined up, you can look right there and see when the charger port actually goes into place. You'll see that little pin right in the middle. You'll be grabbing your B7000. This is just to glue it in place. And first you put a little bit on your lights right here, a tiny little splash. And on your little connector, you'll see this little flat surface. It won't focus in, but on that flat surface will be going down. And that little pin right there, well, squeeze it a little too hard and lost it, and once you place this down, you will see this little black tab. It'll fit right into those 2 holes in the charger port, right there and right there. You'll grab your button or your light and place that into the little hole where it comes out right there. With that glue you applied, that should hold it down. You don't apply too much glue, and this usually takes like 10 minutes to get fully glued down. And you apply a little glue right there and on the other tab as well. And you can give it a couple minutes for it to cure. You want to make sure it's fully in and everything's in place. I would give it 5-10 minutes and it should be good. Even if it sticks out a little bit when you let go, that is fine, because once you place the speaker cup back in, it will push it straight down. And just like that, you grab your screws, screw everything back in, and once everything is screwed in, this old tape will hold down this mesh, but if you would like, you can put any kind of tape right there, 3 different spots, it'll hold down this, but I still been reusing this tape and holds it down good. And ear pad's pretty easy to put back on. It's all sitting on clips. So you pick the headphones up, find the first clip, click, and every single clip you go in, you hear a small click. That's when you know the ear pads are on. You don't want to push it like this, because then you create a little pocket of air here and it can mess up the speaker. And that's how you replace the charger port on a Bose NC700.